What if you spend 1 nanosecond in a volcano, just 1 billionth of a second surrounded by molten lava? Would you survive? Or would it be the fastest, most extreme demise ever? Let's break it down. A nanosecond is incredibly short, 1 billionth of a second. To give you an idea, light travels nearly a foot in that time. That's faster than you can blink or even process the thought of blinking. So, if you were to briefly exist in the fiery heart of a volcano for just that instant, how much damage could it really do? First, let's understand the environment. The temperature inside an active volcano can range from 700 degrees Celsius to 1,200 degrees Celsius, or 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt rock and metal. For comparison, human skin starts to burn at just 44 degrees Celsius, which is 111 degrees Fahrenheit. Even a fraction of a second in these conditions seems like an instant death sentence, but does 1 nanosecond make a difference? In a nanosecond, the surrounding heat and energy barely have time to interact with your body on a macroscopic level. Heat transfer, whether through conduction, convection, or radiation, takes time. But here's the catch. The laws of physics are unforgiving. Even in such a short period, the energy density in a volcano is overwhelming. Imagine your body entering the lava for just 1 nanosecond. Your skin, which is made up of organic molecules like proteins and fats, would instantly be exposed to the extreme radiant heat. However, because the exposure time is so brief, the heat wouldn't have time to fully penetrate your body. Instead, the outermost molecules of your skin might undergo flash vaporization. For 1 nanosecond, only a few atomic layers of your skin would be affected. You wouldn't feel it. Your nervous system can't process sensations that fast. It's more like the universe nudging your existence before you're yanked back out. Here's where things get weird. You might actually survive the nanosecond exposure physically intact because your body wouldn't have time to absorb significant heat. But survival here doesn't mean you'd walk away unscathed. The intense infrared radiation from the lava could cause superficial burns to your outermost skin layers. However, for such an infinitesimally short duration, the damage wouldn't go much deeper. You'd essentially get a microscopic, surface-level burn. While the immediate physical effects might seem negligible, other factors come into play. Lava emits noxious gases, such as sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, and the air near a volcano is often superheated. If you were close enough to enter the volcano, these conditions might cause lung damage or suffocation. Fortunately, a nanosecond is too short to breathe in anything significant. But being in that location long enough to jump in and out could pose other serious risks. Now let's stretch the timeline. A millisecond in the volcano? You'd sustain severe burns as the heat transfers deeper into your skin. A full second? Well, let's just say your survival is no longer up for debate. Lava is so dense that you wouldn't even sink. It's like trying to lie on liquid concrete. But the extreme heat would cook you alive almost instantly. Theoretically, spending 1 nanosecond in a volcano wouldn't be immediately fatal. You'd escape before the heat has a chance to do more than singe a few outermost molecules of your skin. But the logistics of getting that close to a volcano and surviving its surroundings make this an impossible and extremely dangerous stunt. So, while science tells us that a nanosecond is too short for the volcano to kill you, we'll leave this experiment to the realm of imagination. Nature's fiery giants are better admired from a safe distance. Stay curious, but stay safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending what-if scenarios. See you next time.